Look at these seats, turkey birds. Here's the front seat. There's the front seat bottom cushion. There's the back seat bottom cushion. There's the back seat back. 85 years old in his 1941 Buick, and it is in rough shape. I used to ride in this car. In high school, we used to take it out, go to the river for desert parties, seen a lot of miles, a lot of fun. Look at all the stains. Who knows what that is? Beer? Blood? Sweat? Who knows? But I'm getting ready to take these over to the upholstery shop. Gonna let the professionals do a bang-up job on it. Although I've got the fabric and the materials, I'm just gonna let them do their expertise on them.